Yo, Novatos, thanks again for tuning in to yet another video. We are looking at the new GoPro Hero 11. I am pretty excited about this one. You know, minor improvements. Honestly, I don't think it's, you know, anything huge, but overall, there's some minor upgrades. Let's just go over them real quick. We have a 27 megapixel sensor, which is a little bit taller. It's not, I think it's a new sensor, only because it's a slightly taller sensor, but it's still, you know, I think it's still about the same. They just added just a tad bit more. So instead of having more of a, you know, wide view, wide lens, now you can actually go like a hyper view, like super wide angle. And then you could also you know, crop without cropping into the image itself. You can actually film vertical, which would be great for your social media or your phone type of content. So moving on over to the next 5.3 60, which is really good. I believe this also has a better heat managing system. So just overall looking at some of the information out there, waterproof up to, you know, 10 meters, 33 feet. Voice control, they've always had that. 8x slow-mo, they've always had that. Data overlays, not too sure. I believe if you have the subscription, which that's what I got for this. I got the subscription bundle, which this GoPro is under 450 bucks. And besides, I have a Hero 8. That's the reason why I kind of went with this, is because my Hero 8 has a broken display. So maybe I'll probably make a video on that, the process of getting a GoPro fixed, because you're allowed two repairs free of cost. Time Warp 3.0, I believe that's like a little bit more of their hyperlapse, I believe. Time Warp, maybe that's what they're calling it now. 1080p live streaming. I've never used live streaming on this, but maybe we could probably give it a try. Super photo HDR. I think this is based off of the extra 27 or the extra megapixels, the extra image sensor. The GP2, that's the same processor with the Hero 10. So that just made it a little bit more responsive, a little bit, you know, quicker when it came to navigating your settings and, you know, whatnot. Webcam mode. Ever since Hero 8, they've added this kind of feature, webcam. It's a different app software on your desktop or your MacBook. Now it kind of, I mean, instead of having the HDMI connector, the USB to HDMI connector, which would it would be, you know, kind of like a capture device. Now you could directly hook it up via USB-C, and you'll be able to use it as a webcam, which is pretty neat. You know, you don't have to buy another capture device or anything like that. Mod ready. Of course, if you have the Hero 10, then this is going to fit with the Hero 11. I believe the Hero 9, that's when it started. So it's just, you know, it's a larger GoPro. So anything Hero 8 and older, it's not going to fit. So if you have a mod for the Hero 8, that's not going to fit with this one. So let's go ahead and look at what is this. While you GoPro is charging, your shots auto upload into the cloud. That's probably what that data overlay stuff is. So that's pretty neat. Like I said, I have the subscription now, so now I have unlimited upload. This is one of the neat you know, things about the Hero 11. They actually ship it with the Enduro battery, which is their extended life battery and their extreme weather condition battery. I believe this is the reason why the overheating is not as bad as it is with the prior action cams. If you guys seen my video on the Action 2, it was really bad. The Hero 10, I believe that's the reason why I sent it back, was because it would overheat when I was at the shooting range. It would overheat when I was trying to capture you know, 4K content. So let's go ahead and open this up. Enough rambling, enough, you know, going over the details here. Like I said, you also have the option, real quick, you also have the option of buying the other bundle pack, which is like 100, it's an extra 50 bucks. You get another battery pack and you get a couple little things, but I decided, since I have the GoPro subscription, I'll be able to get, you know, some of the accessories 50% off. So I kind of, you know, calculated that the Enduro battery was actually a lot cheaper if I would get it with the GoPro subscription, mainly because I was thinking about getting an extra battery, and once I, you know, calculated all the fees, I'm better off just getting the stuff separated, because I already got a bunch of accessories. I've had GoPro products now for, I'd say, since the Hero 5, so I have a ton of accessories. So the new box looks pretty neat. This looks exactly like my Hero 9, my Hero 10. So same packaging. Let's see what we have here. A quick setup. This looks exactly like the Hero 10. You know, if you have the Hero 9, it doesn't have the updated font, the coloring on the GoPro. So let's see. I also got one more thing with this little kit. I got a 32 gigabyte SD card. It seems to be a pretty decent one. V30 class 3. So yeah, it's pretty fast. But if you're capturing 5K footage, I mean, that's gonna fill up quick. 32 gigabytes. That might be about 30 minutes. 30 minutes worth of footage, 20 minutes worth of footage. 5K, 5 point something, 5.3K. Yeah, 5.3K 60. That might be about, I'd say probably about 20 to 30 minutes worth of footage. So enough rambling. We have the GoPro Hero 11. We have a charging cable as always. USB Type-C to USB. I wonder if that's 3.0 or 2.0. We have some mounting. Oh, it's just one. Okay. So typically you would get two, but I guess now you just have one on this one. It stopped sending the extra. We have a quick start, of course. Here's the pro tips for the best cold weather performance. The Enduro battery. Let's see, what else do we have? We have a startup and some stickers on the back of it, of course. So I guess this is the because it's the curved, I guess it's more of a helmet mount. They used to ship the flat one, you know, with this. That way, if you had a flat surface, you could also mount it. But it looks like now you just get the curved one, which is pretty neat because, you know, I'm a moto vlogger. So yeah, I mean, that's the unboxing. I like the Enduro battery. I think I'm gonna buy a couple more of these, and then of course I have the like I said, I have the subscription, so I'll be able to get 50% off the Hero 8 battery, which is, you know, it's been I mean, it doesn't hold the charge anymore. But then again, you know, it's a couple of years old. All right, enough rambling. You guys, you know, leave your comments down below. I'll be making some videos pretty soon on the Hero 11, a setup guide and stuff like that. You guys just stay out there, stay safe. Don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk. Get out there and ride. Later.